Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lwandile here, the leader of Manikwe School, and today we're going to be doing exercise 1.2 from student B's perspective. Before we do so, though, there's something I want to clear out. On the last tutorial, which was exercise 1.2a, by mistake, I called my class exercise 1.1a, so that's what I want to solve right now. You simply go to the class, you right click, you just go refactor and go rename. What I want to do is to replace this 1 over here by 2 and then hit finish. Just go finish again. Okay, now we're good to go. The class is properly named. So now let's do what we gotta do on this video here. That is to do exercise 1.1 from student. That is to do exercise 1.2 from student B's perspective. So our class is named exercise 1.2b, and when we add the main method, so let's put here what is it that student B is gonna do. Student B will show the effect of adding something inside the quotes. You guys are really suck when it comes to spelling, so I think you're gonna have to bear with me with that. Okay, so let's see. Student B, this is what student B does. Okay, it's system.out.print. Then you go welcome to Java. However, he put stars after the word Java and before the word welcome. And then you go to the next line, system.out.print. Then simply duplicate this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we hit the run button and see what we get. This is what we get. Welcome to Java 5 times, right? So the lesson here is, you see, by putting something inside these codes, that will affect your output. Whatever is it you put here, even if you decide to put $1, you're gonna have a bunch of dollars in the word welcome to Java. So that's pretty much it from student B's perspective on exercise 1.2. So cheers, you guys. I'll see you on the next video, which will be from student C's perspective. Cheers.